Hello friends, this is Shana Home Decor. I hope you are in good health and enjoying my videos. Today we are bringing you an amazing idea of rustic style kitchens. We try to bring a complete catalog of 2023 so you can have a complete idea of design and interior. Before moving ahead, if you like this content, please like and subscribe my video. This is very crucial for a small channel like us to keep on working. We need your support. The remarkable feature of rustic kitchens is the use of bare walls or tiles which are giving a look of bare walls or bricks. The use of a wood is also another feature that makes it stand out from other type of kitchens. Wood is used not only in making cabinets and flooring, wood is used in roof, in making chimneys and making shelves, and it all give it a comprehensive rustic look. Wood alone is not enough to make it rustic. The color of the wood, the neutral tone and the pure color of wood, the rough and raw color of wood makes it look rustic. In rustic kitchen, when it comes to making kitchen island, you can use unfinished or raw wood to make an island that not only looks rustic, that looks amazing and beautiful too, closer to nature. The choice of crockery or pans or pots used inside rustic kitchen also make a big difference. So hanging some pots and pans which are rustic in look and not very modern also another contribution towards making your kitchen rustic. Lighting in different type of lighting in modern kitchen is another feature of the rustic kitchen. The lamps or the hanging lamps or ceiling lights which are used, they are different, and these hanging lamps which look unfinished or have rough surfaces, or they have special designs of like lamps in villages. They make your look rustic. Free shelves are definitely a must part of rustic kitchen. So even in modern rustic kitchens we can add some free shelves to add a taste of nature and rustic design inside your kitchen. These shelves can be used to place some small pieces of uh, decoration, or they can be used to keep dishes on, as it happens in rustic setups. A roof with wooden logs is something special and amazing in rustic kitchens. This is the bold feature of a rustic kitchen, and it makes it a complete rustic style kitchen. When its roof has wooden logs, kitchen chimney is a very important feature of kitchen, and when it comes to rustic kitchens, these chimneys can be made or can be given a look of wood, even it is made with some type of metal. It can be given a unfinished look of wood. Rustic style chimney, it can be made with wood, and this wood looks just like raw wood or unfinished wood that's not furnished. I hope these ideas are useful for you, and you can customize them or you can choose from them and have them make for your kitchen. If there is something special that you want to watch in future related to a home decor, please write in comment section so we can upload the type of content in future. These rustic style kitchens can be made in modern setups too, and they are flexible and amazing for farmhouses too. There's a variety of rustic kitchens. Some are small, and we also try to bring spacious and larger kitchens. Some kitchens are just combination of modern and rustic. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel as we need your support. It's crucial for us. And please press the bell icon so you receive the notification whenever we upload next video. Thanks for staying with us.